So my name is Isabel Colombo. I'm from Italy. I'm 42 years old, and I'm a life designer. So I help people get in contact with their true self and their deepest emotions and fall in love with life again. So that's basically what I do and who I am. Before joining AA, I was struggling with mental fatigue. I was very, very tired as I've been a professional for 14 years. I haven't always done life design, but I really struggled in finding new ways to market my business, to be on social media. And so I found myself every year repeating the old story again. What am I going to do this year in order to find new clients, new leads, blah, blah, blah. And so I had a lot of options out there. But as I was very, very tired with choosing new ways to be on social media, basically, I really needed something new. I really needed a structure. And and I also needed a structure to be consistent, actually, because I've always struggled with consistency. I've understood that I work and I function in cycles somehow, but still I needed some steps, some precise steps to follow. And so this is basically what I was struggling with before joining AA. The biggest shift I experienced after joining AA were incredible, actually. And first of all, I really managed having like a clear idea on what to do and every step I had to do. So the thing that made me enroll in AA was the free PDF about the ideal client avatar. And when I received it, just in minutes, so it was the ideal client that I was struggling to find for years. So I almost cried. I'm not joking. I got so emotional because I was so tired before receiving that PDF, and that was really something that made me think, okay, this is the way, this is something I have to do right now, because I was really looking for something to save energy, save time, and not feel so tired anymore. So having a structure, having a blueprint really helped me focus on something else, on my true job, and not on marketing all day long. So this is one of the shifts that I really experienced. And also another biggest shift and success, I would love to say, has been being able to share what I'm experiencing with a community, because I've always been a lone wolf, I would say, meaning that I've always worked by myself. I thought I didn't need anyone else to work with me or to share things with. But I really found like encouragement and a place to share my doubts, share my difficulties, or share my wins, something very, very nurturing for my business. And I think it's been the first time in my whole life as a professional that I really enjoyed being in a group and like gathering all the energy from other people, even though I don't know them, because actually I just see their names virtually, but I don't know anybody. We've just seen once or twice, maybe on Zoom, but it doesn't matter. I mean, I feel we're all heading on the same way, and we're all in the same difficulties. We're all experiences like down moments, and so this is something that really changed my mind on groups and communities. As for the outcomes and the results after joining AA, well, first of all, I have to say I've started my POP, so my prototype, and I'm already in the third week right now. So it's something that I've been struggling with for many years. I mean, I already tried a few years ago to build my own course and marketing it. And as Sunny said, you just build a wonderful thing that nobody wants because you haven't done the research before. And that's what that is what I experienced, because I really, a few years ago, I really built this wonderful program. And when I started marketing, nobody wanted it. I mean, I didn't understand what wasn't working at that time. But then I have to say that one of the most precious tools that I've learned in AA was the ICA research, so the interviews. And I found that those were really gold to have a direct communication, a direct conversation with the potential clients. And that also took off the weight, the pressure of selling straight away my program. And I find it very, very useful to like build relationships and being able afterwards to sell my program in a much easier way. So I got a result. I sold six programs. Didn't know if I would be able to sell at that price. And so I reached like 2,000 euros, which is a little bit more in dollars, I think. I had never been able up to now to reach that ceiling, I might say. So I'm very happy about that. So I've always found many results in my personal life and my confidence outside of the business, because this kind of clarity, having a structure, having a blueprint to follow within my business really helped me gain clarity and also a sense of relief. Because before having this structure, I really struggled all day asking myself, what am I going to do today in order to have more clients or reach leads? And now I don't have to lose time anymore looking for that, because I have this like toolbox that I can use every day. And I can, if I miss a step, I can go back and start all over again if I'd like to. And there's no pressure in that. I'm giving myself time to understand every step and go back if I needed to. And so I really built this sense of being supported. And I think that this is influence in my life and my program, because I'm able to I would say to duplicate the same model with my students. So having that experience as a student myself really gives me the opportunity to be more efficient, but also more confident in myself when I have to offer the same things to my students. And yeah, and also I would say this feeling of not being alone anymore, because I think this is something that many entrepreneurs and many professionals experience. Like they really feel alone when they are having down moments, and probably they don't talk with anybody, or they don't know with whom to talk with. And so having someone you can reach out to share your experience or share your doubts or share your down moments is really precious, because it helps you gain momentum. Yeah, you have to have someone that cheers you up sometimes. So this is the biggest takeaway, I would say.